Hello everyone, today I will be presenting the JavaScript functionalities I have implemented on my web page. As you can see on the screen, the slide transitions smoothly. This creates a dynamic user experience. So, the first feature we will discuss is the slideshow. This feature dynamically transitions between slides every 4 seconds, giving the website a more interactive and engaging visual appeal. From the JavaScript, we first select all the elements with the class slide and store them in a slide variable. Then, we define a current slide variable to keep track of which slide is currently displayed. The showSlide functions take care of showing the slide corresponding to the given index while hiding the others by adjustment their opacity and z-index properties. The next_slide function increments the current slide index and loops back to the first slide when the last one is reached. Finally, using setInterval, we call next_slide every 4 seconds to create a seamless transition. Next, we have a real-time display of the current date, day, and time. The update every second. Notice how the time update in real time, including the seconds. This ensures users always see the correct time. From the JavaScript, the updateDateTime function returns the current date and time using JavaScript date object. It formats dates and time separately. For time, it converts to a 12-hour format and appends AM or PM. This formatted string is then set as the content of element with the ID datetime. To keep the time update, we call this function once when the page loads and then repeatedly every second using setInterval. This feature ensures the page always reflects the current time, adding a layer of professionalism and functionality. One of the key features of my web page is the dynamic transfer of data both between and within page, particularly in the inquiry.html page. This ensures a seamless user experience by automating the population of the subject field based on user interactions. When a user clicks on a link to inquiry.html from other parts of the website, the relevant topic is transferred dynamically. When the inquiry.html page loads, the stored topic is retrieved from session storage and automatically inserted into the subject input field. Let me show you how this works. If I click a link button to inquiry.html with the topic inquiry about this tutorial, the subject field is pre-filled with RE inquiry or tutorial. From the JavaScript, we use session storage to store the selected topic. The function setInquirySubject is triggered when a user selected a topic, storing a string in the format RE inquiry of topic. The populateInquirySubject function checks if there is a stored topic in session storage. If found, it updates the subject field with this value. Next, we look at data transfer within a page. In addition to transferring data between pages, user can also dynamically update the subject field within inquiry.html using a drop-down menu. Now I select a new topic, such as information on tool to use from drop-down. Then, the subject field update RE inquiry on tools dynamically without needing to refresh the page. From the JavaScript, the update subject from dropdown function listen for change to the things to know dropdown. When a user select a topic, the function updates the subject field in a real time. From validation is a critical aspect of any web page. Here's how it works in this project. Here's an example. If I leave the phone number blank and not make an option and things to know, then the form will prompt me to fix this error before the submission. From JavaScript, the validate form function checks various fields, including name, email, phone number, and more. Each field is validated using regress patterns and other criteria, such as required field or maximum length. If any field doesn't meet the criteria, an appropriate error message is displayed in the alert, ensuring users know what needs correction. This validation ensures only correctly formatted and complete information is submitted. Finally, let's talk about the dynamic content population. Here is the navigation bar and drop-down in action. Notice how sincerely they are populated and how selecting option update others fields. From JavaScript, the navigation bar is generated programmatically using the Nav items array. Each navigation item is added to a DOM using create element and appended to the navigation menu. Similarly, the stat dropdown and things to know dropdown are populated dynamically from areas using loops. This approach reduces redundancy and makes the code easier to maintain. For instance, adding a new stat or topic only requires updating the respective area and the dropdown update automatically. In conclusion, this JavaScript feature significantly enhance the functionality and user experience of the web page. From dynamic slideshow and real-time data display to form validation and dynamic content generation, each feature is thoughtfully implemented. Thank you for watching.